In this tutorial, we will add and verify advanced pricing for the course product created in the previous lesson. Open the Product's Actions menu, select Edit, and scroll to Advanced Pricing. This section stores conditional price rules separately from the regular price. Add Advanced Price opens a new price rule without changing the product's basic fields. Select it to open the new price form. Price type decides when the rule is used. Sale creates a promotion. Tier applies to a quantity range. Subscription is for recurring access and is used by subscription products, not this course product. Select tier for a group discount. Amount is the unit price applied by this rule. Enter $39 for each qualifying seat. Compare amount is an optional higher reference price shown beside amount. It is removed if it is not greater than amount. Enter $49, the product's regular unit price. Min quantity is the smallest order quantity that can use this tier. It cannot be lower than 1. Enter 5. So the discount begins at 5 seats. Max quantity is the largest order quantity for this tier. Leaving it blank means no upper limit, but a number must not be lower than min quantity. Enter 20 to limit this tier to 20 seats. Start date is optional. A date delays the rule until that day. Blank means there is no start boundary. Leave it blank so the tier can begin immediately. End date is optional. A date stops the rule after that day, and it cannot precede start date. Blank means there is no end boundary. Leave it blank. Enabled off stores the rule but prevents it from being selected. Enabled on makes it available when its quantity and date conditions pass. Leave enabled on. Save price validates and stores this rule. Select Save Price, wait for price created, and let ModernCommerce refresh the advanced pricing table. The saved row confirms a tier price of $39, a $49 compare amount, quantities 5 through 20, no date window, and active status. Its Actions menu can later edit or archive the rule. That is how to add and verify an advanced pricing rule for a product in ModernCommerce. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and leave a comment. For additional help, contact us through the link in the description or bio.